sister and I have an act that couldn't flop. My sister and I are headed straight for the top. My sister and I earn $1,000 a week at least. Oh yeah, you know. But my sister is now, unfortunately, deceased. I know, it's sad, of course, but a fact is still a fact. And now all that remains is the remains of a perfect double act. Psst. Watch this.
Where's our makeup?
First I, then she, then me. But I can't do it alone. Then I, then she, then he. But I can't do it alone. She'd say, what's a sister like? I'd say men, but don't. She'd say all the cats meow, then we'd wow the crowd again. When she'd go, I'd go. We'd go. And then those ding-dong dadders did it around to cheer the best attraction in town. They nearly tore the balconies down. And then we'd say, okay fellas, we gotta go now. But before we do, here's a few more parting shots. And this we did in perfect unison.
We didn't discuss this.